Hey guys, what's up? Curtis here at Quick Shift Auto Sales. Today I've got a very special truck. 2007 Ford F-350 turbo diesel 6.0 with 157,000 miles. This truck has had a lot of love. We put a lot of time into it to get it right. It's got 6 hand-cooked Dynapro all-terrain tires, all with excellent tread. You won't have to get new tires anytime soon. It's the XLT package, so it's got your cloth interior. Very clean on the inside. It's got all-weather mats. No cracks on the dash. Doors are clean. And then if you see, it's got no rust on it. The cab is completely rust-free. It's the Super Cab, so it's got the back seat as well. Excellent condition too. Very clean truck. And then this is your Duelly, so it's got your double back wheels. This is the 8-foot bed with a heavy duty liner on the inside. That's a coated liner. It's got the hitch for the 5th wheel. Really good looking truck here. I'm going to go over as much as I can in this video. If you guys have any questions at all, please ask. We're going to get underneath here so I can show you that it's been straight piped underneath. So no catalytic converting. This is not a quiet truck. But what's neat too is it just passed its Missouri Vehicle Safety Inspection in February. So you don't have to worry about that. Some other work that's been done. We had a Ford certified technician come out from Kansas City to do head gasket, intake gasket, studded, EGR Deleted, and coolant filter. And this also has the upgraded 58-volt FICM as well. So if you need a truck that's been done right, a 6.0 turbo diesel, this is the truck for you. Like I said, it's had a lot of love put in it. I'm going to go ahead and start it up for you. It also has a brand new starter as well. And all the parts that we used came from Ford themselves. So no cheap aftermarket parts on any work that was done. As you can see, she starts right up. So if you have any questions at all, please contact me at 573-355-8780. Again, this is the 2007 Ford F-350 6.0 turbo diesel. Thanks, guys.